Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create and customize a chart on Tradingview. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Let's just jump straight into it. So the first step, of course, is to click on the chat button. So you want to click on the chat button to create a new chat. That's of course after you've logged into your Tradingview account on the website. So just click on the chart button to create a new chart. And this will take you to the charting platform where you can select the symbol and interval for your chat. Step 2 is to select the symbols and interval. So you want to select the symbols and intervals for your chat. You can choose from a wide range of symbols, including stocks, forex, futures, and cryptocurrencies. You can also choose your various intervals, including 1 minute, 5 minutes, an hour, and daily charts. Now, step 3 is to customize your chart. So you can customize your chart with indicators, drawings, as well as other tools. You can add indicators such as moving averages and RSI to your chat to help you to analyze the market. You can also use drawings such as trend lines and channels to identify patterns and trends. Step 4 is to use the chart setting menu. So you can use the chart setting menu to adjust appearances, add overlays, and more. You can also customize the appearance of your chat, including the color, fonts, and layout. You can also add overlays such as Fibonacci retracements and pivot points. You can add all of that to your chat. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create and customize a chart on Tradingview. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.